Alright guys, how's it going? Today I'm doing an unboxing basically on me getting my 17T turbos. I had originally recorded the video and I don't know why, but it didn't record the audio, so now I'm doing basically a voiceover. That's why it doesn't really match that good, but I'll try to do my best. But I'm basically doing an unboxing and how the turbos are basically. So we got these right here. Supposedly they're real. They show that their turbo's been balanced, but I don't know about that.
Out the cow.
But I mean, they look sort of legit. But I've heard that they just have these out and then they just send out the same ones over and over again. They just change them up a little bit. But if you look at them, they are a bit different. Like the graphs have different numbers, and then the dates are also a bit different. But I'm not sure. I mean, they're from Viv. They're Viv turbos. I guess they're some of the better brand eBay China turbos. But anyway, let's get right to the unboxing. As you can see, it comes with these gaskets for the downpipes and the exhaust, which I would not recommend. These are pretty cheap. I compared them with the OEM BMW ones, and they're really thin and they just feel very cheap. And in this box right here, I also have more, basically my whole installation kit, like the lines in here and everything. I'm gonna need to do the turbo installation. And in this other box, I also got the inlets that came with the turbos. It was an extra $100. But let's get right to the turbos, what you guys have been waiting for. And here they are. Honestly, they came pretty well packaged. I mean, the foam and everything, styrofoam was really good. Basically bulletproof. But here they are. As you can see, they're covered, well packaged from Viv. Like I said, I'm not sponsored or anything. They are from eBay. But here they are. I'm just unboxing them in my room, you know. Let me take out this other one. And there we go. So we got the two turbos here. And as you can see, we have the front and the rear one. And I guess right here I'm showing you guys how well packaged it was, which I already said. But anyway, here are the turbos. From what I noticed from the turbos, they were okay. I mean, I've never really had anything to compare them to. But from my eyes, you know, they look okay. They look good, honestly. Well worth $1,000 pretty much. I did do some research, and apparently for the 135s, the wastegate is different, and same thing for the 535s. But here's the wastegate play a little bit. It did have a little bit of extra play, but then again, it's a lot better than how my turbos are right now. So we'll see how long they last, but they do have a bit of play. Maybe a little bit too much, I'm not sure, but then again, they have to have some sort of play or else they're just gonna stick, you know. But everything's so far so good. There's the turbine wheel, and I'm also gonna show the compressor in a bit, I think. But I did notice that these things are, oh, and by the way, I did get the 6x6 17Ts. That's what these are, 6x6 17Ts. I was gonna get the 11 blade ones, but I saw a video on 0 to 60 channel. He's another BMW YouTuber, where he explained how they actually failed because they were maybe because of the 11 blades. So I went with the 6x6 just because a lot more people run them and there's a lot more better reviews, I guess. Here's the part number right there. As you can see, 17T. And as you can see, the turbine wheel barely moved. Obviously with oil pressure in there, it'll probably move even less. And what else? I'm trying to do a voiceover on this thing, but I'm trying to remember what I actually pointed out. Oh, and by the way, these are cast iron, unlike the stainless steel, which I think the original ones are made from. So these do get a little bit hotter, and I think they're prone to rusting and maybe even cracking just because they're cast iron. But here's the front one. The front one was also good, same quality, same thing, just obviously the front. They spin good, basically the same amount of play. But these are the turbos right here. I mean, not really much else I can really say about them until I actually put them on, which I will be putting on. Maybe you guys will see the video in a few days. It is a pretty long video. I am voicing these over basically. After I've already installed them, and so far they're pretty good. I have about 1,000 miles on them and they pull strong, no rattle, no nothing. But yeah, stay tuned for that video. I'll be uploading that one soon of me actually installing them and maybe doing a few pulls. But yeah, so far, if you're gonna get China turbos, I would recommend getting them from Viv. I got the inlets as well, as you can see. They also say Viv on them. Like I said, they're the more better known brand from eBay. Unlike the other Chinese turbos, which are just like an off-brand, not really a company. So like I said, I'm not sponsored or anything, but I just really like how they look. Then again, the other ones maybe look the same. And here's the last look at the wastegates of the play it has, which is not bad. I mean, they're brand new, but we'll see how they go. Thanks for watching.